Hello all, I hope you are doing very well. This is Suyesh Goel signing in, and you can follow me on this link, and please start shooting all your questions in the comment box. Now in the last lecture, as we discussed about the questions starting with am I action plus ing, are you action plus ing, are they action plus ing, is he, is she action plus ing, and moving on we'll talk about some more questions starting with was I, were you, have you, has he. Okay, so starting up with the was I action plus ing. Now we talked about some sentences we speak like I was going. You know, when the work was going on in past, जब past में कुछ हो रहा था, काम चल रहा था, we used to speak in way like I was going, yeah, I was teaching, yeah, I was studying, yeah, I was writing. Now if I am to ask the question for the same, like when I'm saying I was writing and I want to ask was I writing, मुझे पूछना है क्या मैं लिख रहा था, was I writing, then how can I ask was I getting nervous? In the same way like we did for am I action plus ing, you know, I am action plus ing, I am going, and the question would be am I और am क्या हो रहे थे, एक दूसरे की जगह ले रहे थे. Similarly I was and it's was I, you know, the same pattern will be followed. Was I getting nervous? The answer would be I was getting nervous. You know, the sentence is I was getting nervous. Now if I'm to frame the question for the same, that would be I was का हो जाएगा was I. That's it. Okay, इतना ही सिर्फ. Was I getting nervous? Now this is the question which I'm asking to you. Okay, then the answer would be yes, you were getting a bit nervous. Answer you में होगा because I'm asking to you. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ. Let's say your name is Rahul. Rahul is someone who is watching my video. तो राहुल मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ was I getting nervous? Then you would say yes, you were getting a bit nervous. Similarly I am asking was I dancing well? क्या मैं सही नाच रहा था? And you are saying no, you were not dancing well. What you are saying? No, you were not dancing well. I am again asking was I overreacting? क्या मैं overreact कर रहा था? And your answer is yes, you were overreacting. Okay, moving on. Was I not making you understand? Let's say I was making you understand, you know, let's say I was making you understand a concept, you know, a concept of physics. Let's say physics का कोई concept है, and then I just asked you after one day that was I not making you understand? क्या मैं तुम्हें नहीं समझा पा रहा था? क्या मैं तुम्हें नहीं समझा रहा था? Your answer is no, you were making me understand. नहीं, आप मुझे समझा रहे थे. The question is having not. Okay, the question is having not. So the answer is no. That means समझा रहे थे. No, you were making me understand. Again this one more question. Was I making you feel uncomfortable? क्या मैं आपको uncomfortable feel करा रहा था? No, you were not making me feel uncomfortable. नहीं, आप नहीं करा रहे थे. The next question. Was I not speaking with passion? The answer is no, you were speaking with great passion. No, you were actually speaking with great passion. आप बहुत passion से बोल रहे थे. The next is were you action plus ing. Now I am asking you Rahul. Rahul is someone who is watching my video, and I am asking you Rahul that were you studying physics? Let's say I came to your home yesterday and I saw that you were reading a book, and today I am meeting you and I am asking you that when yesterday I came to you, were you studying physics? I am asking you क्या तुम physics पढ़ रहे थे? And now you can answer yes, I was studying physics, or you can answer no, I was not studying physics. Okay, again I am asking you one more question. Were you playing video game? क्या तुम video game खेल रहे थे? The answer can be no, I was not playing video game. No, I was not playing video game. Okay, so this is how we can ask questions. Were you playing video game? Were you studying physics? Were you going? Were you teaching? Were you speaking? Were you walking? Were you running? Any question I can ask. Similarly, I can ask, were you laughing at me? I saw you laughing. Okay, and then today I'm asking you that were you laughing at me? Then your answer is no, I was not laughing at you. Similarly, I have some more questions. Were you not chatting on WhatsApp? क्या सच बताना, क्या तुम WhatsApp पे चैट नहीं कर रहे थे? Answer is yes, I was not chatting on WhatsApp. हाँ, मैं WhatsApp पे चैट नहीं कर रहा था. Okay, Now I have a question with a not. Were not you running fast? I can ask in another way. Were you not running fast? And I can ask it in this way. Were not you running fast? Either way it's okay. Okay. Were not you running fast? The answer is no, I was running fast. कैसे बोलेंगे? No, I was running fast. Okay. The next is, were you not going to the market? Market नहीं जा रहे थे क्या? No, I was going to the market. नहीं, मैं market जा रहा था. No, I was going to the market. Then I have you action third form. Then I have you action third form. Similarly, we spoke the sentences like, just अभी मेरा काम खत्म करा है. I have done this. I have completed my homework. Now if I am to ask a question for the same, that क्या तुमने homework complete कर लिया? This is अभी जो मैंने बोला I have completed the homework. This means मैंने homework खत्म कर लिया. Now if I am to ask the question for the same, क्या कर लिया? क्या homework खत्म कर लिया? In that case we need these questions and we can ask it in the same way. You have action third form, that is the sentence. Now if I am to ask the question, then you have का हो जाएगा have you. That's it. I told you ना, pattern is going to be the same. You are का are you were का were you, and similarly you have का have you. That's it. Okay. तो have you participated in the debate? क्या आपने debate में participate करा था? The answer is yes, I have participated in the debate. Again I can ask, have you gone to Malaysia? Malaysia गए थे क्या आप? Yes, I have gone to Malaysia. Or I can ask, have you done your classwork? Classwork कर लिया आपने? No, I have not done my classwork. Or I can say, yes, I have done my classwork. Okay. Moving on, I have some more sentences. Have you not done graduation? Again, I have this not here. So you can ask, have you not? Or you can ask, have not you? Okay. So have you not done graduation? No, I have done graduation. The next is, have not you come by bus? क्या आप बस से नहीं आए हो? Yes, I have not come by bus. हाँ, मैं बस से नहीं आया हूँ. The next is, have you not seen the doctor? क्या आप डॉक्टर से नहीं मिले अभी तक? मैं आंसर दे रहा हूँ, no, I have seen the doctor. नहीं, मैं डॉक्टर से मिल लिया. Then I have has he, has she action third form. Like, has he talked to you about it? क्या इसके बारे में इसने आपसे बात करी थी? Now here I am using has. Just make this point very clear, because while I am speaking the sentence which is starting with he, I used to say he has done the homework. हम कैसे बोलते थे? He has. We never said he have. We say he has. So that is why जो यहाँ पे interchange हुआ है वो हुआ है he has का has he. Okay. तो has he talked to you about it? क्या उसने आपसे बात करी थी इसके बारे में? Yes, he has talked to me about it. Has he injured himself? क्या उसने अपने आप को injured कर लिया, घायल कर लिया? Yes, he has injured himself badly. Or you can ask, has she done any course in dancing? No, she has not done any course in dancing. The next is, has he not paid you the money? Now this is a question which is having not in itself. So has he not, here it is not, has he not paid you the money? Yes, he has not paid me the money. And now you can ask it in this way, has not, taking has not together, or has he not, both ways right. Has not she dropped you? Yes, she has not dropped me. Okay, in all these sentences you can just see we are using the third form of action. Pay ka paid, drop ka dropped. Okay, similarly ask ka asked. So has not he asked you about coming tonight? आज रात को आने के बारे में उसने आपसे नहीं पूछा? The answer is no, he has asked me about that. कैसे बोलेंगे? No, he has asked me about that. So this is how we can ask some more questions, and we will have a look about some more questions in the next lecture. But that's all for this lecture. Thank you very much. This is Suyash Goyal signing off.